Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export data in Zoho Books. All right. As you can see here, if you want to export all of your data or organizational data, you have that option in here, which is called the backup data module or option. Okay. So if you want that option, just go ahead over to settings right here, scroll all the way down and find developer data, click on data management. Now just click on backup. Okay. If you want to back up documents, just go ahead and click on this tab right here at the top. Okay. Now, if you just want to export a certain data, for example, we have here codes or even sales receipts, invoices, customers, you name it. Okay. Just go ahead over to the top. You have three dots right here. Click on export and export current view right here, or select the invoices or data or codes that you wanted to export. Okay, or select all, like so. You have here the option, export as a PDF or print it. Okay, or again, click on more actions, export, current view. There you go. Here we have the decimal format. Select the format that you need right here and make sure to select the correct export file format. Okay, it could be a CSV, XLS, XLSX. If you want it to be a protected file, okay, you can go ahead and add in the password right here and just hit on export. There you go. Save it wherever you want. Name it, for example, codes 2025. Save. And here you have your copy. All right. And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.